The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, compact handheld gimbal camera tailored specifically for professional filmmakers and independent cinematographers. The Pocket 4P features massive physical dual camera system. It incorporates two separate lenses, a primary wide lens powered by a 1-inch CMOS 50MP sensor and a secondary 48MP camera featuring a 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 12x digital zoom. The Osmo Pocket 4P is capable of 6K recording at 60 frames per second, alongside 4K slow-motion video at 240 frames per second. More importantly for serious creators, DJI will introduce a new D-Log 2 color profile with up to 17 stops of dynamic range. Equipped with 107GB to 128GB of internal storage and ultra-fast 800 MB per second transfer speeds over Wi-Fi 6. The leak also points to a major price jump. The Osmo Pocket 4P will land somewhere between €749 and €799. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.